This vlog is about how to inquire your SSS monthly contributions. But before we start, please support my channel by clicking subscribe and notification bells to be updated on my next vlog. 3, 2, 1. First, go to web browser you prefer to use. So mine is Google. In search tab type www.sss.gov.ph so we can see the SSS webpage. We are here in SSS homepage. Click the box reCAPTCHA to identify that you are not a robot. Then submit. On left side, you can see the portal. Click member. And member login appears. Please take note you can only use this or login once you already registered on SSS web registration, which I uploaded already how to do it. Read on below description for the link. Well, to continue, enter your user ID and then the password. This password will expire in 90 days. So you need to update this also. Then click the box for reCAPTCHA to determine you're not a robot and submit. So now, we're here on member page. Then find below the inquiry tab and click it. The drop-down list appears. You can inquire about benefits, then contributions. You can check the posted monthly payments of contributions you made. If you're employee and you notice that there's blank on particular month, you can ask your employer to check if there was really payment of the said no amount indicated in the table of payments. And secure from your employer a copy of receipt and you can give it to SSS for double checking of their record, and posting of contribution will be changed or updated. If you're self-employed and voluntary member, make sure payment receipts you've made are on file and safely keep for your document reference if in case deficiency on your records. So you can see also below the summary of the total number and the total amount of contributions. Other way of checking your contribution by using Android phone through SSS apps downloaded. Need to do is to download the apps through Play Store. Click Play Store. On search tab type SSS apps mobile or simply type SSS. Then you can see the SSS mobile. Click Install. If the app successfully downloaded back to your Android home page, find the SSS on display. Click the SSS apps downloaded. Then you can see the SSS login. So, again you need first sign in before you can log in this My SSS account. You can see how to sign in from my previous video which you find the link on description. Then, type your registered user ID. Follow by entering your registered password. Click Sign In. So here we are in home page of the SSS member. Click My Contribution to find out the posting of your payment made. You can see the table per year posting. It's easy to check out. If there's a discrepancies on posting, just swipe left from the year start of your payment up to present.
Let's play.
So far on my contribution there's no discrepancies since I started my contribution as employee. I monitored it. Actually before there was no online, I tried yearly to visit SSS branch to get printed. Monthly contributions posting. It is better to check earlier if there's a problem on posting so can take action and everything will be corrected and updated. So that's all. I am hoping this vlog can help to all SSS members such OFWs, employee, self-employed and voluntary member. Thank you for watching. Please support my members.